Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Some hours ago, the DCP Abakiyari and some special squad, that security squad, went down to southeastern region, told Nigerians was a media space that they've been able to disarm the ESN. They've dismantled ESN camp, and they discovered that ESN, out of anger, and IPOB, out of anger, had dismembered, killed a native doctor that prepared them an important charm that caused them to that caused them not to appear and disappear as a Wendy. As you speak, Ima Powerful, the leadership of IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu have decided to react to some of these very strong allegations, very strong words, worded terms, statement made by the police media persons, and they have this to say, and now quite very strong things they revealed in their statement. But before we go to the news proper, to find out what they're countering the police over, like it, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the Imo State Commissioner of Police, Mike Abatam, on Saturday claims that the militia wing of IPOB, Eastern Security Network, killed and beheaded the native doctor, burnt his corpse after preparing an important charm for them. The statement by Abatam reads that the victim was Pascal Okeke from Omudim, Ukuoji, Awonmama, and Oru East local government area of Imo State. Reacting on Monday, the group said the attention of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, ably led by our great leader, Nnamdi Kanu, has been drawn to the concocted and ridiculous statement from Nigerian police that IPOB and Eastern Security Network killed a native doctor preparing charms for them in Awonmama, Oru East local government area of Imo State, and burnt his house. Let us reiterate, I'm quoting them now, I'm quoting Ima Powerful right now. He said, let us reiterate once again that neither Eastern Security Network nor indigenous people of Biafra kills people since its formation by our indomitable leader, Nnamdi Kanu. We also do not have any native doctors, as we do not believe in fetish actions and fetish acts. Our trust has always been in the Almighty God, Chukwu Okike Abiyama. It is ridiculous for the Nigerian government to associate IPOB or ESN with their moon-tail narrative of a native doctor and charms, assuming but not conceding to the laughable tale by the Nigerian police. Does it make any sense that we will turn around to kill the same native doctor allegedly preparing charms for us? The security agents should stop blackmailing themselves, thinking they're doing so against IPOB and ESN. They should stop killing and burning the houses of people and blaming their wickedness on IPOB and Eastern Security Network as ESN. We do not kill the same people we are sacrificing so much to liberate. Spilling of blood is not part of our mandate. In the statement titled, we don't patronize native doctors. Stop linking us with your sponsored murders in Biafra land. IPOB tells police the group said it knew nothing about the killing of the purported native doctor. The group also stated that its camp cannot be penetrated by the security operatives, while mocking them for being unable to locate the hideouts of bandits and terrorists in the north. I quote him again. We equally want to put it on record that the purported camps destroyed by security agents are not ESN's camp. The false claims were to create the wrong impression that they are working hard and possibly collect more money from their government. The fact remains that ESN camps cannot be infiltrated or combed by the Nigerian security agents. They are not only out for propaganda to deceive the gullible into thinking that ESN is vulnerable. They are not. The Nigerian security agents attacked the home of a Sabbatarian in Imo some time ago and flagged him the commander of Eastern Security Network and his compound as an ESN camp. Those they claimed a native doctor preparing charms for ESN are not IPOB or ESN security operatives. Unfortunately, it's only in Biafra land that the weak and The weak Nigerian security agents zealously destroy the houses of native doctors, but they are unable to locate native doctors preparing charms for terrorists, bandits, Fulani herdsmen, the statement reads in part. IPOB reiterates that it does not kill people, but the blackmail keeps coming from Imo State Governor Opuzodinma and the security forces. IPOB is talking. IPOB is still talking. Then IPOB still continued. It said it accused the CP Abakiyari of hunting innocent residents in the southeast, while Yobe and Borno states where he hails from are the most terrorized places in the country. The public must disregard this junk news being dished out by the Nigerian police and Imo State Supreme Court. Oh my God. Hope Uzodinma about beheading of the native doctor from Imo State by IPOB and ESN. We know nothing about the purported incident. This is another lie concocted to further tarnish our image and set us against our people. They continue. All this is all from IPOB. I still continue with the statement. It said it's unfortunate that Super Cop DCP Abakiyari and his team are killing Igbo youths and labeling them ESN and unknown gunmen, while the Igbo Efulefu elders and politicians have remained mute over the issues of killings and abductions and bribery practices for the release of their innocent victims. Super Cup DCP Abakiyari's hometown, that's Gugba in Yobe State, and his place of birth, Maduguri, in Borno State, are among the worst hit in terms of insecurity. If truly DCP Abakiyari is a super cop, he should have used his widely claimed tactics in intelligence field to help dislodge Boko Haram, ISWAP bandits, having a field day in northeast of Nigeria, which is the region he came from. Both Yobe and Borno are in the northeast of Nigeria. After all, they say charity begins at home. Time has proven that Nigerian soldiers and police, including DCP Abakiyari and his IRT team, cannot withstand Boko Haram, ISWAP, and bandits operating in the northeast, where insurgents and insecurity at large. Why be zealous in killing innocent Biafrans mainly for Igbo extraction? Nigerians must note that is seriously on the losing side of the game, and they have resorted to using media propaganda to demoralize people and support what they're doing. But people must not allow them. We must always be allowed to counter every lies from them, the statement added. All this I just read is all from IPOB statement. All of them are from IPOB statement, Ima Powerful, Nnamdi Kanu, and all. They all came prepared, one after the other, to counter the claims of the police over their report. And the report that the police gave, they gave not just the report, they gave video evidence, they gave pictures, and and it's actually also supported by the politicians in the southeastern region, which means they must have done their findings and given it to the appropriate authorities. But now IPOB is countering all their claims, saying the native doctor is not their native doctor and they don't do killing in their mandate. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take? This is getting dicey. Yeah, we don't.